नाउ एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, इज जस्ट मेकिंग अ कनेक्शन सफिशिएंट? मतलब आप किसी के साथ कनेक्ट हो गए, इज इट सफिशिएंट फॉर यू टू गेट अ जॉब और एन इंटर्नशिप ऑफर? डेफिनेटली नॉट, बिकॉज उसके लिए एक लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल, अच्छा सा लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल होना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। सो जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो आने वाली है इस पर्टिकुलर प्लेलिस्ट में, हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि एक लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल ओपन करेंगे। लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल ओपन करके प्रैक्टिकली आप लोगों को ये दिखाएंगे कि लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल में क्या क्या कंपोनेंट्स है और उन कंपोनेंट्स को कैसे बिल्ड किया जा सकता है इन ऑर्डर टू मेक इट लुक वेरी ग्लैमरस। ओके, सो जैसा कि मैंने आप लोगों को प्रॉमिस किया था कि लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल बिल्डिंग टिप्स वीडियो के पार्ट 2 में आई विल बी बैक विथ something very special. So here I am. Hello everyone, welcome back to Placement Buddies. Today we will try to analyze what are the components present in a LinkedIn profile and how to build those components in order to make our LinkedIn profile look attractive. So let us start. ये मेरा LinkedIn profile है. I will take the reference of my LinkedIn profile and I will make you understand how to build a LinkedIn profile. Okay? See guys, LinkedIn एक virtual resume होता है. Okay? Instead of sending your own resume to someone, you are giving him or her your LinkedIn profile's link, right? So LinkedIn is a type of virtual resume. रेज्यूमे में जितनी चीज़ें आप मेंशन करते हो, LinkedIn में भी काइंड ऑफ सेम चीज़ें आप मेंशन करते हो, बी इट वर्क एक्सपीरियंसेस, बी इट एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड, बी इट प्रोजेक्ट्स, बी इट स्किल्स और समथिंग एल्स, राइट? द फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन अ LinkedIn प्रोफाइल इज योर नेम. योर नेम शुड बी रिटन इन अ वे सच दैट फर्स्ट नेम का फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल और लास्ट नेम का फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल होना चाहिए, बाकी सारा लेटर स्मॉल होना चाहिए. बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं कि ये नाम पूरा कैपिटल में लिख देते हैं या फिर पूरा स्मॉल में लिख देते हैं. दैट इज नॉट रिकमेंडेड फ्रॉम माई साइड. ओके, द नेक्स्ट थिंग विच नीड्स डिस्कशन इज दिस प्रोफाइल फोटो. दिस फोटो शुड बी प्रोफेशनल. कोई इंस्टाग्राम फिल्टर नहीं, कोई फेसबुक वाला फोटो नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं. दिस फोटो शुड बी प्रोफेशनल एंड क्लियर. ओके, नाउ बहुत स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं कि दे इग्नोर दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग विच इज द कवर इमेज. यू शुड हैव अ कवर इमेज शोइंग हु यू आर एक्चुअली. जैसे कि मैं, आई एम द को क्रिएटर ऑफ प्लेसमेंट बडीज. आई हेल्प स्टूडेंट्स विद प्लेसमेंट प्रिपरेशन with my Placement Buddies channel, where I give some online courses, interview experiences and job notifications. So this cover image actually represents who am I. Okay, so now if you are a student, if you want to do something with your cover image, you can do something like this. This is what I was talking about. Sri Satyasiva Bharat Koluru is a friend of mine who has given a very nice cover image. See, he is a fresher with an experienced mind, okay, and he is enthusiastic in automobiles, manufacturing and CAD design. ये उसका फाइनल ईयर प्रोजेक्ट है जो उसने सिमुलेशन में डिज़ाइन किया है. These are the photos which shows his activity in Baha Club of our college, right? So this cover image actually tells who is Mr. Sri Satyasiva Bharat Koluru. Okay, so you should choose a cover photo for yourself जो दिखा पाए what is actually your personality और what you actually do. जैसे मैंने अपने प्रोफाइल में दिखाया था कि I am a co-creator of Placement Buddies and these are my activities. Okay, so let us go back to my profile. The next important thing is this headline. Okay, see, in my headline I have written co-creator of Placement Buddies, which is a YouTube channel. Then I have written incoming GAT at Larsen & Toubro. Yes, I am going to join Larsen & Toubro very soon. I was the placement coordinator at the training and placement cell of my college also. That thing I have mentioned in my headline. And मैंने NIT अगरतला में 2017 से 2021 तक पढ़ा है. Okay, so this actually represents who am I. In short, you have to tell about yourself. So co-creator of Placement Buddies, incoming GAT at Larsen & Toubro, placement coordinator at training and placement cell NIT Agartala, and NETA 2017 to 2021 is basically a short introduction about me. So headline is basically a short introduction about yourself. So choose your headline very wisely, right? Okay, now this headline will be different for everybody. Okay, Not everyone will be the co-creator of Placement Buddies, or not everyone will be the placement coordinator at training and placement cell of your college. So what you can write, what you as a fresher can write, you can write looking for opportunities in this particular domain. In which domain you want to work, you can write looking for opportunities in suppose IT domain, looking for opportunities in suppose machine learning domain, looking for opportunities in suppose code domain. Okay, so you can write actually what you want. You can also write about your skills, you can also write about your activities, in short. Okay, fine. So headline कैसे लिखना है ये आप लोगों को क्लियर हो चुका है. फाइन. अभी let us look into the about section. About section में you have to write about yourself in detail, क्योंकि headline वाले section में आप पूरा डिटेल में नहीं लिख सकते, ज़्यादा बड़ा करके नहीं लिख सकते. So you have to write about yourself in detail in the about section. So I have written about myself. I have written, hi, welcome to LinkedIn profile. I am Saleh Ahmed, a hardworking and determined individual who recently graduated from NIT Agartala with the first departmental rank in the domain of electronics and instrumentation engineering. I have described my educational background in one line. Okay, soon I will be joining Larsen & Toubro, one of the esteemed organizations where I got placed through campus placements. मैंने अपनी placements के बारे में भी एक line में बोल दिया. Apart from being proactive in academics, I have also contributed towards the placement cell of my college as a student placement coordinator, representing my department in various placement related activities. This position of responsibility helped me acquire various managerial and interpersonal skills which can be impactful for me in the long run. मैंने अपनी placement cell related जो experience है उसको भी छोटा करके लिख दिया है about section में. Okay, now in order to utilize my skills and being productive, I have opened a YouTube channel which goes by the name Placement Buddies with the help of my batchmate Apurva Poddar. At Placement Buddies, our endeavor is to create content of the subjects important from placement's point of view. We also organize different talk shows where the experienced ones share their interview experiences, and in doing so, we try to help the students in best possible manner. Being a co-creator, it is my responsibility to help my viewers, especially the juniors, with their placement preparation. So, इस paragraph में मैंने अपनी YouTube channel के बारे में भी बोल दिया है. Okay? So, you also need to write your about section like this. You have to tell about yourself, from where you are, what you do, what are your activities, what are your skills, what are your projects, or what you are looking forward to do in the near future. इसके बारे में एक gist करके आपको अपनी about section में लिखना है. The most important part of about section is your contact detail. I have given my email ID as my contact detail. मैंने मोबाइल नंबर दिया नहीं है. I can get so many calls if I give my mobile number. But you as a fresher or you as a student can give your phone number. Any recruiter or any HR can call you if he or she finds your profile attractive. Okay, so the next thing is featured section. See, आप लोग बहुत चीज़ें पोस्ट करते होंगे LinkedIn पे. उस पोस्ट में इनिशियली बहुत सारे लाइक्स, बहुत सारे रिएक्शंस, बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आएंगे, लेकिन आफ्टर सम डेज वो पोस्ट फेड हो जाएगा धीरे धीरे, राइट? सो वो पोस्ट आपके प्रोफाइल में आके कोई अगर ढूंढना चाहता है, देन इट इज़ वेरी कन्वीनियंट टू डू सो इफ़ यू पुट दैट पर्टिकुलर पोस्ट इन द फीचर्ड सेक्शन. जैसे मैंने अपना ये दोनों पोस्ट फीचर्ड करके रख दिया है अपने प्रोफाइल में. ओके, सो इन फीचर्ड सेक्शन यू मस्ट इंक्लूड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पोस्ट ऑफ योर्स in which you want everybody to put attention, right? Now let me show you the importance of posting on LinkedIn. So you can see I have 1351 connections in LinkedIn. Okay, LinkedIn में मेरा 1351 connections है. जब मैंने ये पोस्ट किया था, I posted it around 1 month ago, right? But इस पोस्ट में I got 8,590 views, right? So 8,590 views मेरे को कहाँ से मिला? Although I had only 1,351 connections. So this is the best feature of LinkedIn. कि LinkedIn क्या करता है? It sends your post to the connections of yours and also to the connections of your connections. Because जब भी LinkedIn में कोई आके रिएक्ट करता है आपके पोस्ट में या फिर कमेंट करता है आपके पोस्ट में, इट ऑटोमेटिकली गोज टू दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन्स कनेक्शंस फीड. इन डूइंग सो आपकी पोस्ट में ऑटोमेटिकली व्यूज बढ़ जाते हैं, क्योंकि दैट पर्टिकुलर पोस्ट विल बी अवेलेबल टू द न्यूज फीड ऑफ योर कनेक्शंस एज वेल एज द कनेक्शंस ऑफ कनेक्शन ऑफ योर्स, राइट? सो दैट वाज ऑल अबाउट द फीचर्ड सेक्शन. Now लेट अस गो टू द एक्सपीरियंस सेक्शन. एक्सपीरियंस सेक्शन में आप लोग क्या ऐड कर सकते हो? यू कैन ऐड योर ट्रेनिंग, you can add your internship, you can add your project, and you can add all sort of work experiences, right? I have included a work experience of my YouTube channel. I have started this channel on May 2021 and presently around 2 months I am working on it, right? Previously I had been the placement coordinator of the placement cell of NIT Agartala. It was from July 2020 to June 2021, right? And this is a small description about my work experience. In placement cell I was managing activities related to placements for the batch of 2017 to 2021 of NIT Agartala. So that's a very small description about my work experience, right? The third work experience I have added about my internship. I did my summer internship from Vardhan Consulting Engineers. It was a work from home internship from June 2020 to July 2020, and I did these things in my internship. I have briefly added these things in my description of the work experience, right? Now documentation भी यहाँ पे बहुत important हो जाता है. आपने ये जो वर्क एक्सपीरियंस किया है, ये जो इंटर्नशिप किया है, इसका प्रूफ क्या है? इसका प्रूफ है एक सर्टिफिकेट. सो आई हैव इंक्लूडेड द सर्टिफिकेट हियर एज वेल. लेट मी ओपन इट. So this is basically the certificate of completion. This is the certificate of corporate skill development program, and this is the letter of recommendation which I have received from Vardhan Consulting Engineers. So once you add some documents along with your work experience, your profile becomes more enhanced, right? The next thing which I have added is about the online training of Tata Steel, which I was pursuing between April 2020 to May 2020, and I have also added a document along with it, right? The certificate basically. Then I have added my training on Northeastern Electric Power Corporation, NEPCO, right? Along with this I have added my certificate, and then I have added my CTTC's training experience as well. So basically I have added these work experiences in my LinkedIn profile. Accordingly you can also add your trainings, internships, projects and other work experiences if you have any, and try to provide such documents along with it also, right? The next section is education section. In the education section you have to add details about your college life as well as your school life, right? So you have to add from latest to last. So the latest education you are in must be your college life, right? So I have added my college detail: National Institute of Technology Agartala, BTech in Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering with a CGPA of 8.87, okay? And the duration is 2017 to 2021. In support of my statement, I have attached my mark statement as well as my rank certificate in my profile. So documentation is very important, right? The next thing is I have added details about my 12th examination. I did my 12th from Golden Valley HS School, which is under Tripura Board of Secondary Education, the state board of Tripura basically, and my percentage in 12th was 78.8%. In 12th, the activities and societies I was in were NSS, debate, speech, quizzes, etc. So these were my activities along with my 12th academics, and I have attached my 12th mark sheet as well, right? Then I have provided details about my 10th examination. In 10th examination I secured a percentage of 85.86 from the TBSC board itself and from the same school. As a proof I have attached my 10th mark sheet, okay? So this is all about the education section. You can also build up your profile accordingly. You can write details about your college, you can put your CGPA, you can include your mark statements or statement of grades and your rank certificate also. In the 12th details you can add your school name, your percentage, your activities and societies, and as a proof you can attach your 12th mark sheet as well. Then you can give your 10th details by attaching your 10th mark sheet. The next important thing is licenses and certifications. अगर आपने कोई सर्टिफाइड कोर्स किया हो फ्रॉम प्लेटफॉर्म्स लाइक यूडेमी, कोर्सेरा, टाटा स्टील ई लर्निंग वगैरह वगैरह, बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स है इन ऑर्डर टू learn and in order to do some certified courses. I did 2 certified courses from Udemy. वन वाज ऑन इंडस्ट्रियल इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन एंड कंट्रोल डिवाइसेस एंड दूसरा था कंट्रोल वाल्व बेसिक्स इंजीनियरिंग ऑयल एंड गैस इंडस्ट्री के ऊपर. ओके, सो आई हैव एडेड द डिटेल्स ऑफ बोथ ऑफ देम इन माई लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल, राइट. द नेक्स्ट सेक्शन इज स्किल्स एंड एंडोर्समेंट्स. यू कैन सी जितने स्किल्स मेरे पास है आई हैव एडेड ऑल ऑफ देम इन माई लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल. जैसे ग्रुप डिस्कशन, लीडरशिप, रोबोटिक्स. इंडस्ट्री नॉलेज में आई हैव इंजीनियरिंग, पावर जनरेशन, एकेडमिक्स, ऑटोमेशन, ऑनलाइन टीचिंग, स्मार्ट एनर्जी, सोलर एनर्जी, इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन. टूल्स एंड टेक्नोलॉजीज में आई एम फैमिलियर विथ PLC, Arduino IDE, YouTube, Microsoft Excel, Wondershare Filmora. Wondershare Filmora is basically the app in which I edit my YouTube videos. Interpersonal skills में I have public speaking, communication, time management. Other skills में I am familiar with IoT, industrial automation, controllers, email etiquettes, Google Sheets, control valves, Industry 4.0 and I can convince people as well. Okay, so accordingly आप भी अपने skills में ये सारी चीज़ें add कर सकते हो. You can add the languages you know. You can add C, C++. You can add data structures. You can add all the other technologies you are familiar with, right? Now, what is endorsement? Endorsement is basically supporting someone. Okay, if you are endorsing me for a skill, you are basically supporting me and you are saying someone who is visiting my profile that I am skilled in that particular thing. Okay, जैसे मेरे प्रोफाइल में ग्रुप डिस्कशन एक स्किल है. ओके, ग्रुप डिस्कशन, दिस पर्टिकुलर स्किल ऑफ माइन इज एंडोर्स्ड बाय माय फ्रेंड हर्षल सिन्हा एंड 2 other connections. ओके, रोबोटिक्स, दिस पर्टिकुलर स्किल ऑफ माइन इज endorsed by my friend Prashant Prakash and 1 other connection. Okay, so what you can do is you can go to someone's profile, someone whom you know, and you can endorse a particular skill of that person in which you feel that particular person is really good at. Okay, and you can also ask your friends for giving you endorsement on a particular skill in which you are good at, right? So this is basically how the skills and endorsement part works. You can also take a skill quiz in which LinkedIn will be providing you some questions and you will have to answer those questions. You can take quiz on any particular skill of yours. LinkedIn will be there to help you, right? And अगर आप skill quiz clear कर लेते हो then you get a badge from LinkedIn, right? So this is how basically the skills and endorsement part works. The next thing is recommendation part. LinkedIn में you can receive recommendation from someone you know or someone with whom you have worked and you can give recommendation to someone as well. Okay, for example, I have received 5 recommendations from the persons with whom I have worked or under whom I have worked, right? And I have given recommendations to 3 people with whom I have worked. Okay, so you can basically ask your senior or you can basically ask your faculty as well for giving a recommendation to you on LinkedIn. ठीक है? The next important part is accomplishment. Accomplishment के अंदर क्या क्या आता है? Publication, patent, course, project, honor and award, test score, language, organization. अगर आपके पास कोई पब्लिकेशन या पेटेंट है यू कैन add them in your LinkedIn profile. Okay, I have added 5 honors and awards which I have received in my school life and college life. So you can accordingly add your achievements both from your college and school life in honors and awards section. Preferably you add your achievements from the college life. You can add the languages what you know in your LinkedIn profile as well. जैसे कि मैंने बंगाली, इंग्लिश और हिंदी ऐड किया है and in all 3 language I have professional working proficiency, right? So you can add your languages as well. जो लोग साउथ से बिलोंग करते हो you can write तमिल, तेलुगु as well, right? The next thing is projects. आपने अपने कॉलेज में जितने भी मेजर या माइनर प्रोजेक्ट्स किए हैं यू कैन ऐड देम इन योर लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल. जैसे कि मैंने अपनी 3 प्रोजेक्ट्स ऐड किया है लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल में which are automated street light using IoT, sensor guided robotics and solar and smart energy systems. Okay, so मैंने उन प्रोजेक्ट्स का ड्यूरेशन भी ऐड कर दिया है the duration in which I was doing those projects, and I have added a short description of these projects as well, right? I have also given some YouTube video links. मेरे projects YouTube पे भी uploaded है. You can just copy this link and put it in your browser and you can go through my project, right? So this was all about the project section. Then you can add any certified course in the course section which you did in your college. Then you can add your test score. I have added my CGPA of 8 semesters at NIT Agartala, which is basically 8.87 on a scale of 10. If you have a good JEE rank and if you have any other significant test score to add in your LinkedIn profile, you can do that. Okay, so this was all about my LinkedIn profile. Now let us see what we have learned from this. What we need to add in a LinkedIn profile? We need to add our name and location, title and description, job history, endorsement and recommendation, profile image and cover image is a very important thing to add, headline, service listing and featured listing. ये सारे पॉइंट्स मैंने अपनी प्रोफाइल में आप लोगों को दिखा दिया है. Accordingly you can build your LinkedIn profile as well, right? How you can enhance your profile? पिछले स्लाइड में मैंने आप लोगों को जो चीज़ें दिखाया था ये सारे चीज़ें तो आप लोग ऐड कर दोगे अपने LinkedIn प्रोफाइल में, but how to enhance that particular profile? In order to enhance that particular profile, you can add licenses and certifications. जैसे मैंने अपने प्रोफाइल पे Udemy की 2 सर्टिफाइड कोर्सेज के बारे में दिखाया था अंडर द सेक्शन ऑफ लाइसेंसेस एंड सर्टिफिकेशंस. You can add your awards and honors. You can add languages. You can add projects. By adding these particular things, you can enhance your LinkedIn profile. Now there are some do's and don'ts in LinkedIn. Try to follow those. Importance of comments. In many LinkedIn posts, you will see this common thing called commenting for better reach. सभी लोग जाके LinkedIn पोस्ट में commenting for better reach क्यों लिखते हैं? अगर मैं आपका कनेक्शन हूँ, मैं आपकी पोस्ट में जाके commenting for better reach लिख रहा हूँ, then what will happen? My connections will see कि आपने क्या पोस्ट LinkedIn में डाला है. Okay? That particular post will go to the news feed of my connections if I comment on your post. So always keep this thing in mind. आपकी पोस्ट पे जितने ज़्यादा कमेंट आएगा उतना ही ज़्यादा आपको फ़ायदा है. Okay? Now, in order to increase your reach, what you can do is that you can comment on the post who has a good following. अगर आप किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के प्रोफाइल में जाके कमेंट कर रहे हो किसी पोस्ट पे who has a good following, then there are chances कि आपका भी following increase हो जाए. Okay? So always try to comment on the post who has a good following. You have to avoid links in the post. पोस्ट पे लिंक देना अवॉइड करना होगा. लिंक कहाँ पे आप दे सकते हो? यू कैन गिव इट इन द फर्स्ट कमेंट, राइट? नाउ आप जो पोस्ट लिखोगे, द फर्स्ट 2 लाइन्स ऑफ दैट पोस्ट आर एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट टू ड्रॉ अटेंशन. जो रिक्रूटर या फिर जो पर्सन आपका पोस्ट पढ़ना स्टार्ट करेगा, ही और शी विल फॉर्म अ गुड इम्प्रेशन ऑन योर पोस्ट by seeing the first 2 lines only, right? So the first 2 lines of the post becomes extremely important to draw the attention. You have to fill all the details about your profile. जैसे मैंने profile building पे दिखाया था, you have to fill all the details. You have to post about your important academic activities. जितना आप post करोगे उतना ही ज़्यादा reach बढ़ेगा. You can share knowledgeable posts as well in order to enhance your reach, right? You have to be original while posting. You don't copy and paste from someone. Try to avoid grammatical mistakes. Try to avoid controversial posts. Politics related या फिर कुछ भी ऐसे controversy related post करना avoid करना होगा आप लोगों को, right? You have to maintain an image on social media. This is not Instagram. This is not Facebook. This is not something else. This is LinkedIn and it's completely professional. So you have to maintain an image on social media. No offensive activity or no harassment. Keep that thing in mind. Okay? LinkedIn is not a dating app. LinkedIn is not an app where you can harass someone or you can hurt someone's sentiments. So keep those things in mind as well, right? Now there is a useful tool called Resume Worded. Resume Worded check your resume or LinkedIn profile score. आपका जो LinkedIn profile है, Resume Worded is a tool which will give you a score on your LinkedIn profile. So let me show you how it works. At first, what you need to do is you need to go to your LinkedIn profile. You click on more and save your LinkedIn profile as a PDF. Right? So once your PDF is downloaded, you can go to Resume Worded. Just go to Google and search Resume Worded. Now you have to sign up using your email ID, and signing up is completely free. You have to click LinkedIn profile review, right? Here you have to upload that particular PDF. The name of the PDF is Profile 2. Here my LinkedIn profile's PDF is getting uploaded. And as you can see, Resume Worded ने मेरा LinkedIn profile का एक score दिया है which is 76 out of 100. Okay, so there are still some improvements which has to be made in my LinkedIn profile. So what you can do is, before building your LinkedIn profile, you can take a PDF of your profile and you can go to Resume Worded and check what is the current score of your profile. And then you build your LinkedIn profile according to this video, and after building, you can again take the PDF of your profile and go to Resume Worded. You will definitely see an improvement in your LinkedIn profile score, right? So that was all about today's video. I hope ये वीडियो आप लोगों को पसंद आया होगा. There is a special opportunity, or you can say a special giveaway, which I want to announce, is that you can email us your LinkedIn profiles link at placementbuddiesofficial19@gmail.com, and the first 3 candidates who will send his or her LinkedIn profile in our email, I will review your profile and I will suggest you personally how to build your LinkedIn profile and what sort of improvements you can do in it, right? So वीडियो को एंड तक देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. आई होप इस वीडियो से आप लोगों को बहुत बेनिफिट हुआ होगा. So that's it for today. You had been an amazing audience. Thank you. Bye.